Welcome to Oral French. If this is your first time to join us, know that this is the best place where you can learn the French language as easily as possible. Today we are dealing with lesson 5. It's a free lesson and it's for beginners. My objective is to prove that there is a very easy way to learn and speak the French language. The objective is to speak. So we have so many learners out there who claim French is difficult, French is complicated. I accept the complicated, but I don't accept the difficult, because the method you use to learn French can determine whether it's difficult or not. Those who have been following my lessons, you can also go and watch the other lessons which I've shared, lesson 1, 2, 3, and 4. In today's lesson 5, we are going to look at how easy it is to combine the previous lessons to form a new lesson. That's what I kept telling my students, that if you have not gone through my lesson 1 or lesson 2 or lesson 3, you come and meet me at lesson 6, 7, or 8, it becomes very difficult for you, and then you think the lesson is difficult or the language is difficult. Another thing is that so many students, they try to learn French for free, so they pick here and pick there and pick here and pick there. At the end of the day, they are confused. They don't know which one is okay, which one is not okay. So they don't want to follow an organized structure to learn the language. On this channel, I'll always be giving you lessons, organized lessons for beginners, which can actually help you to understand the language. Not to memorize, but to understand exactly what you're saying. In today's lesson, like I said, we have already done lesson 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the words we saw in lesson 1. In lesson 1, we saw bonjour. We saw words like bonjour, c'est, ce n'est pas. Where we said the French are not going to say ce n'est pas when they are talking. They are going to say ce n'est pas, ce n'est pas. And most of the times you just hear c'est pas. We have seen le matin, pour moi, pour toi, pour vous. All these words now, what we are doing today is to combine them to make sense. If you have not watched my previous lessons, like I said, go and check, because each of these words have their meaning. Now, what is the method? It is very simple. You look at the word, you know what this word means. If I want to say something in English like, it is comfortable at my place today. At my place today, it is comfortable. All those words are here. The only thing you need to know now is to understand the structure and what to combine. Now, what is the meaning of c'est? C'est already means it is. So you put your c'est. What is comfortable is the same. In lesson 1 or lesson 2, we also saw that all the words in English which are ending with e, bleu, a, bleu are the same in French. Some may have different spellings, but they are always the same in French, like comfortable, possible, table, anything bleu. You have put your c'est. What next? Comfortable. You put it c'est confortable. Where is it comfortable? At my place. What is at my place? We saw that in French. If you just say chez moi, which is here, just by saying chez moi already means at my place. I am insisting on the at, because the at is important. Just by saying chez moi, it already means at my place. Therefore, you just put your chez moi. And what does that give us? It is comfortable at my place when? Today. We have seen today. Which lesson did we see today? We saw today aujourd'hui. We saw it in lesson 3. Go and check. You'll see it. So, you put it aujourd'hui. As simple as that. It is comfortable at my place today. Now you want to say it is comfortable at your place today. What do you say? C'est confortable. Instead of chez moi, you put chez toi, which means at your place. Or you put chez vous, because we saw that toi and vous mean the same thing. They all mean you. At your place. Toi, you. Vous, you. Why? In this case, I'm talking to somebody in an informal situation. In this case, I'm talking to someone in a formal situation. We saw all of that. And what else? Okay, so look at all of this. How do you combine them? That's your assignment. You can drop it in the comments. You can take my contact for my bio, send me messages on WhatsApp. I'm going to cross check. What can you combine here to form more sentences? I'm going to underline this. We have another one. Tomorrow, we cannot use tomorrow because we have not learned structures for tomorrow. But we can talk about here, we can talk about over there, we can talk about, there are many things we can talk about. Many. Tonight, this evening, this afternoon, so many things. This morning, it is not comfortable at my place. This morning, it is not comfortable at my place. What is this? We saw that this is so. These are the various ways you can say this. It depends whether you are dealing with a masculine word. That's now grammar. Me, I don't teach grammar because grammar is just getting you mixed up. But I want to say this morning, I'm going to say ce matin. So I don't want to go into grammar. This is ce. Morning is matin. Okay. This morning, it is comfortable at my place. What is it is? We know our it is c'est. Always. It is. It is. C'est. We put it. This morning, it is comfortable. We put our comfortable. At my place. What is at my place? We have seen it. To say at my place, you simply say chez moi. And it goes on and on and on. You can use this to form so many sentences in French. Try it in the comments and let's see. Okay? Take your time, look at the board, try it, and drop your comments. If you have questions, please don't forget. Follow us, subscribe, click the notification, all of that. You know what to do. If the lessons are interesting to you, you know what to do. Just follow us so that each time we post, you can see it. I think that is all for today. I wanted to talk on this one. This one, nuit is feminine. That's why we have cette nuit. But this cette still means this. Cette nuit, this night. Okay? Okay. If you have questions, comment below. Thank you.